Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video, we're going to talk about how to appear offline on WhatsApp when you're online. So let's get started. And to hide your online on WhatsApp, the first thing you're going to do is to open the application, go to the setting, then click on account right here. And after that, privacy. And here on the top, we have last seen. So the first thing you're going to do to appear offline is to change it to nobody, like that. Then go to read receipts and turn it off. And it means when you read something, those two blue marks won't appear. So the other person doesn't know that you have read their message. And this is it. This is how you can appear offline on WhatsApp when you're online. Thanks for watching. See ya!